really hoped in our soul is that we could, for just a moment, have the world pause and remember that this is a beautiful planet in a very special place in our universe, and we should all cherish what we have been gifted.
Excited nang makapagbahagi ng magagandang kwento mula sa kalawakan ang mga astronaut ng Artemis II lunar mission. Ang apat na crew ng Orion spacecraft ay binubuo ng mission commander na si Reed Wiseman, ang main pilot si Victor Glover, at ang dalawang mission specialist na sina Christina Koch at Jeremy Hansen. Nasa ika-8 araw na ang lunar mission at 2 araw na lamang bago ang kanilang muling pagpasok sa orbit ng mundo. Sa ginanap na press conference ngayong Huwebes, oras sa Amerika, game na sumagot ang apat na astronaut sa mga tanong ng media sa NASA Space Center. Isa sa hindi nila malilimutang eksena ay nang tumawag sila sa NASA upang magpaalam kung maaari bang ipangalan sa namayapang asawa ni Reed ang isang lunar crater na kanilang nakunan.
And if you want to find this one, you look at Glushko, and it's just to the northwest of that, at the same latitude as Ohm, and it's a bright spot on the moon. And we would like to call it Carol, and you spell that Carroll.
Integrity and Carroll Crater. Loud and clear. Thank you.
The three of them had talked and they would like to do this, and that was an emotional moment for me, and I just thought that was just a total treasure. When Jeremy spelled Carol's name Carroll, I think for me that's when I was overwhelmed with emotion, and that was kind of the pinnacle moment of the mission for me.
Ayon naman kay Jeremy, muli nilang napatunayan ang halaga ng buhay na nasa mundo sa naranasan nila sa kalawakan at sa nasaksihan nilang paggalaw sa outer space.
We have seen just some extraordinary things. We're very fortunate to live on planet Earth. And the other perspective that I've sort of learned from others through life is that, our purpose on the planet as humans is to find the joy in lifting each other up by creating solutions together instead of destroying. And when you see it from out here, it doesn't change it.
Hindi naman nila naging problema sa kanila ang manirahan ng ilang araw sa Orion capsule. Ayon kay Christina, nagkatuwaan pa nga sila kahit medyo masikip sa loob nito.
Wow, we have loved living in Orion. Yes, it is bigger in microgravity, and yes, we are bumping into each other 100% of the time. Everything we do in here is a 4-person activity, but it's also really fun.
Sa kanilang huling 2 araw sa kalawakan, ayon kay Victor, wala silang ibang iniisip kundi ang makabalik ng ligtas at maibahagi ang lahat ng kanilang nakita at naranasan na itinuturing nilang pambihira dahil hindi lahat ay may pagkakataong gaya ng naibigay sa kanila.
It's kind of humorous, but it's literal as well, that we have to get back. There's so much data that you've seen already, but all the good stuff is coming back with us. I haven't even begun to process what we've been through, and riding a fireball through the atmosphere is profound as well. I can tell you it's a lot, and lifelong memories. I'm going to be thinking about and talking about all of these things for the rest of my life, for sure.
Jack De Ocampo, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.